Happy Valentine's Day! You may have received a rose or many roses in a box, and I'm going to show you how to get the best life out of your roses when you unpack them from the box. So here is a stunning single stem. We've taken it out of our box, and you'll notice that it's got its own little water source, little floss pack. So before we take it out of the floss pack, we need to prepare our vase. Once again, make sure the vase is nice and clean. Cannot stress how important a clean vase is. Just normal tap water, completely fine. Whoop, to about there. And now what we're going to do is gently remove the rose from the pack. So just gently twist. Be careful not to wave the rose too much backwards and forwards. Make sure you dispose of these. They are non-toxic, but I just like to make sure that they go straight into the bin and away from little people. Now, always cut the rose again before we put it back into the clean water. So on an angle, snip straight through and straight into our vase. So by cutting it on an angle, you can see it's actually not sitting flat on the bottom of the vase, so more of the water can come up the stem. So what roses do, take all the water up through the stem and out through the petals. So to prevent that, we need to mist the rose and continually top this up. Because it's a single vase, because it's a single rose, it's very easy to pour the water out and replace it every day. And if you want to, you can also give the rose a little snip again each day, although that is going to make the rose a little bit shorter, so I'd be happy to just quickly change the water daily and give it a mist morning and night. If you're out through the day and your house is hot, I recommend keeping it somewhere cool, so the bathroom or the laundry if they're cooler, or if you've got the air conditioning running. When the air conditioning is running, it's actually going to dehydrate our roses, so it will require a little bit more misting to help keep that process going in that cycle. So enjoy your rose and happy Valentine's Day.